Hi guys, welcome back. We've got some more updates from JLR. I had a good call with them today. I want to go through that with you. Obviously the good news is there's a 5 million investment in 2016 and 2018 models, and a lot of you have been waiting for that, so that's good news. But let's just go through my call with them. Won't be a long video tonight. I want to keep it quite short and brief, but basically I had a chat with them about the hybrid I had, the Wi-Fi overheating, the heating on hybrid mode, which I struggled with and some other owners have, and also the garage incident where I was pressing the fob and it wouldn't lock the car. So I went through them bits with them. And they said to me about this garage jamming is becoming more of an issue. So we need to be aware of that. If you are filling up at petrol stations, there are instances where this signal seems to be jammed, and they were just saying to me if that does happen, then obviously don't leave the car unattended. I also went through about keys, because some of you have got the new key but it hasn't got ultra wideband, and some have got old keys but newer models. I'm still not overly understanding it all, but what I do see is potentially some of the new keys haven't got ultra wideband. And when you do the update, the BCM update for your car, that doesn't give you a new key. That will stick with the old key. So just so you know, because there has been comments about do I get a new key, but you wouldn't. My second point to them was just about updates, and I said it's very useful. They said they're now on 83,000 enhancements on the 2018s to 22, and they are really pushing on that, really pushing. They've said they've really upped the ante on getting these cars done, and obviously you guys done a great job, all your comments, helping there. I spoke to them about insurance. They're really keen for me to set up this partnership, which I'm working on. That is for all cars, not just Land Rovers, but it will be sort of on a multi-car policy with some other bits. I'm working on that. They're very happy to work with me on that, and also in any way give guidance of getting the best insurance and using the best tools to get that down security-wise. But the big thing was this 2016 to 2018 investment. So this was announced Friday. I've just got the actual statement here. So on Friday, our CEO announced even more investment in protecting our clients' vehicles. We are now investing in and rolling out physical and digital theft protection to enhance the security of JLR's vehicles back to 2016. I know you're all going to be happy with that because we've been working on that, and I'm really pleased, and I'm sure you are. For context, that is around 500,000 cars and brings our total investment in this to more than 15 million. I'm just going to go back to my notes on that because I had a few questions. And basically, they're going to do this BCM update, which basically means at the moment that would stop the car being able to be driven away. So even if they get in the car, they can't actually take the car. And the models that have had the BCM update, there's been 0 thefts from them cars. That's what they said to me today. They do recommend the Faraday pouch for them models, the 16 to 18s, just because there could still be potentially relay attacks, but then they can't actually start the car. So there's just a couple of bits I went through with them. They also said that this is going to have to be phased out. It's not ready yet. But the investment is there. So you will be contacted if you're in a postcode area which is vulnerable, they will start contacting you. So don't rush out there now. It's not happening this second. But as soon as I get wind that this is starting, I'll come back on. We'll do another video. But I think that's really good news. 83,000 have had the BCM fix. So it was 80,000. That's gone up 3,000. The other thing was I asked them about cars that where you're going to dealerships and they're saying it's not due, we need to ask them, has it had the BCM fix? And if it has, then you're in a good position. But I have said that that's been a bit ambiguous from the dealers as well. People saying, oh, I'm not sure, or going away. But ask them, The BCM fix is the main thing, because that stops them actually starting the car and going away with your car. So yeah, so it was a good call. I think I'm doing these weekly calls with them. I think that we're definitely making progress, and also we are they're on it. They want to do it. We want them to improve. We want to keep this brand in a really good position in the UK. And it was a good call. So I'll do that call again next week. I've also got a Defender coming, because I said I'd like to try some more of their range of cars. So a Defender Hybrid's coming sort of end of Feb. I really want to, the videos had a good reception. I think it had quite a lot of views, which is great. And, I enjoy reviewing cars. That's what I like. So, so hope you enjoy these videos. Please like and share. And good news on 2016 to 2018 models.